Welcome back to our channel Travel Freedom. Today I'll be talking about the top 5 places to visit in Colombia that will attract your eye for sure. Hence, let us get started. Colombia is not just the best place to have coffee, but the place with rich culture and heritage. Won't lie, it is one of the most underrated countries in the world, but it holds so much beauty with it. The country is filled with a safe environment and some of the best forests, beaches, rare species of plants and animals. Moreover, Colombia is home to many endangered species. And as already mentioned, Colombia produces the best coffee in the world. Besides, the love for coffee people have in Colombia is exceptional. You might find every other person of any age group loving coffee. As a result, coffee growing in Colombia is part of the national identity. Here are 5 recommended sightseeing places in Colombia, a treasure trove of such beautiful nature. Number 1. Cartagena. Cartagena is one of the best maintained colonial destinations in the Americas, and we can't just miss out on the point that Cartagena is the crown jewel of Colombia's Caribbean coast. It is as beautiful as you're assuming that place in your head. The 13 kilometers of walk distance cover the beauty of century-old walls, the picturesque colonial buildings, many of which are now wonderfully restored restaurants and luxury hotels are worth the watch and mesmerizing. Moreover, a stroll by the memorable walled city at Cartagena reminds the architect and designs done at an early age. Boca Grande, situated at the ocean front, is now a more modern part of the town where upscale condos and hotels compete for prime seafront real fields. The place has many beaches and islands to visit. Number 4. Medellin. Medellin has a distinct history. Earlier, it was called the most dangerous city in the world in the early 1990s. However, the conditions at Medellin changed with time. In recent times, it has developed a lot internally and has got a special natural beauty attached to it. The best day of our tour at Colombia will start in the old quarter of Botero Plaza, where you will find works of 23 portly statues donated by beloved Colombian artist Fernando Botero. Around the plaza are the must-visit museums of Antioquia and the Rafael Uribe Palace of Culture. To end your visit, Comuna 13 to travel the gorgeous neighborhoods, colorful homes and elegant street paintings and much more. El Poblado is the best place to find eateries, boutique shops and the broad majority of the city's hotels. Number 3. Eje Cafetero. Eje Cafetero or Coffee Axis is the place to a growing number of coffee plantations and indeed a tourist attraction. You can visit here during the daytime to enjoy the view of the coffee plant swaying with the wind. Moreover, Colombia is the world's 3rd largest producer of coffee beans in the world and a perfect destination for flavors. The small town of Salento is simply the most beautiful and engaging place to stay on your own in Colombia, with lots of added farm tours nearby and lots of activities to do. Besides, you will also have easy access to Cocora Valley, which is home to the tallest trees in the world. To make your trip more fun and exciting, you can rent bikes from Salento to explore the land in your own room. One can also get access to public transport, including buses and private vehicles too. Number 2. Leticia. Leticia is in the center of the city, a broad walk with water views. The main square is Santander Park, with lakes and trees where hundreds of parrots roost at the spot. It is so soothing to the eyes to watch the beauty of the animal lifestyle here in Leticia. The neighboring Cathedral of Our Lady of Peace is a new building built with a city view of its bell tower. Also, this is a perfect destination for clicking pictures and having a memorable moment with your loved ones. The capital of the big Amazon forest is a small town in front of Leticia, located on the banks of the mighty Amazon River, right where Colombia invades Brazil and Peru. Leticia is known for its vast and thick jungles. Leticia makes a great foundation for ecotourism, wildlife safaris and much more. A trip to the Amazon gets to know the inherent groups, even calling this area home. The only way to get here is by plane from Bogota, and you can continue further by boat with the descent to Manaus, Brazil, or up to Iquitos, Peru. Number 1. The Lost City. The Lost City hidden in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta landscape was only rediscovered in 1970. However, it already holds a special tourist attraction spot in Colombia. Moreover, it is Colombia's most popular trek of a 4-day, 44-mile-long journey to Ciudad Perdida. It was built and maintained by Tairona Indians between the 8th and 14th centuries. The ancient city is said to have been one of the largest sites of pre-Columbian planning founded in the United States. Here at the Lost City, various sites are still buried beneath the dense forests and are yet to be discovered. The modern inhabitants of the area have banned excavation. But you will find the stone slabs and stairs photogenic and interesting to know about. It is not possible to visit the site easily. A procedure has to be followed, so you will need to register around Santa Marta first, and then you're all set to explore. Colombia is indeed a very beautiful place to explore, hence you should visit it once in a lifetime. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Kindly subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts about Colombia in the comment section.